Hi everyone, and welcome to a brand new Trains Are Awesome video. Today we are on an SNG train operated by the Dutch National Railway Company NS in the Netherlands. NS has ordered over 200 of these Spanish-built trains, and they run on local trains throughout the national network. Here we are at Hoofddorp Station, and there is something unusual about this train. This is what we've all grown used to an SNG looking like. Note that the front of the train is blue with a white NS logo in the middle. However, in May of 2020, one of these SNG trains hit an agricultural vehicle and the front ended up looking more like this. Part of the research that was released 1 year later concluded that the blue color of the front was in part to blame because it's very hard to see from vehicles on the road. So NS decided to update the SNG's color scheme, and honestly, the end result is kind of unbelievable. Once this train leaves the station, you'll see what the new color scheme for the SNGs will look like. That's right. The front and back of the train are now bright yellow for increased visibility. Now for all the trains that still have to be delivered, they're being delivered with this yellow color, but for the trains that were already delivered and have the blue front, it is slowly being repainted, and this was one of the repainted sets. At first I was really worried. I thought the yellow would look super ugly, but having seen it in video now, I kind of like it. It could have been a lot worse. The only thing I wish NS would have improved was to have the transition from yellow to blue be more subtle or more flowing and not just a straight cut. Anyways, this livery will be temporary anyways because in June of 2021, NS announced that as part of their new corporate livery, both Intercity trains, which are express services, and Sprinter trains, which are local services, will have the new yellow and blue NS Flow livery. So when these trains are scheduled for midlife, I assume that we'll see them in this new livery. Anyways, thanks for watching today. Please subscribe to Trains Are Awesome, and I hope to see you again next time.